Alright guys, this car is a Haiboxing Ratchet. It's a 1/18 scale vehicle made by Haiboxing. It's ball bearings, splash proof receiver. It's got a cage, detailed cockpit, 380 size motor, comes with the 650 milliamp light ion. Nice little preview of the box. Shows you all the other vehicles that are available from Haiboxing. Got their sandrail, which is their Ratchet, their monster truck, Rampage, their Truggy, the Hailstorm, and their buggy, the Gallop. This is the old model Ratchet. And back. Let's get to the vehicle. It's got some good proportions to it. I love this color pattern that's on here. Still has the plastic protecting film on it. It says right there, rip off protective film before use. The body decals can be applied after the film has been ripped off. Excuse my horrible reading, borderline dyslexic. Let's peel this off. Looks like the wheels are held on with screws. They sell aftermarket CVDs for this. These are CVDs, not just dog bones like some of your WL toys. The metal CVDs that come with these not come with them, but are aftermarket to these, come with the hex nut and the nut itself, a captive nut to hold the wheel on. Something I'll be doing in the future. Some little body pins right here. Then it looks like it just folds up. Now what you got inside is your servo, your 380 motor, your lithium ion battery, your power switch back here, which is nice because you'll be hitting it just like that. Friction shocks. They sell aftermarket ones. That's doesn't actually, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really not bad for friction shocks. That's really not bad. There's like barely any bounce. So what else we got here? We got the metal drive shaft. This is gonna house your spur gear, your pinion on this side. Yeah, your differentials up front and rear. The only thing I've ever seen anyone complain about are these little rods right here. But get yourself some aftermarket ones, you'll be alright. These buckets have holes in them for LEDs, so you can fix lights. It's nice too. I'm probably gonna be doing a upgrade series on this car where I throw in a brushless motor, receiver combo. I'll probably end up throwing something like a 1500 milliamp battery into it and upgrading this servo. This is a 5-wire servo. It looks like there might be a plug or something right here for lights. So that's the vehicle. There's a quick size comparison. Another popular 1/18 scale car. This is the A959. This has the A979 wheels on it. That's why they're so bulky. But you can tell this car is smaller, which isn't bad, honestly. It's got a smaller track, but it'll be more nimble, and it's definitely lighter. Like, this is fully dressed, battery and all, and it weighs less than this guy does, missing the battery. What you get in the box: get yourself a nice receiver, transmitter. It's got servo reverse switch up here, and a slow and normal speed setting, kind of like a beginner switch. You got your, I'm going to assume this is either your steering trim or your dual rate. I'm gonna go more with the steering trim. The steering itself is a little tight, but it feels good. The trigger itself doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel spongy or anything. Definitely do some one-handed driving, need be. It's pretty cool. It only uses 2 AA batteries. That's also nice. Doesn't come with the batteries, but it's nice. Also comes with spoiler screws for the spoiler mount, screwdriver, USB plug with a balance lead for charging, some spare body clips. Very, very, very useful. Comes with a notification. Pretty much shows you how to turn the vehicle on. It's pretty nice. Sticker sheet. These are awesome. This is something that you get with like HPI, ECX, Axial send you some out, Proline, those bigger name companies. Yeah, it's very, very nice. Full color manual. Gives you all the details here too. Technical data. 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz. Qualified spring shocks. It just means they're friction shocks. It's not oil. 300 kilometers an hour. Ball bearings. 380 motor. Splash proof electronics. You got your steering checks, your throttle checks, how to properly connect your battery, spare parts numbers. So if anything ever happens, you strip a spur gear, you strip a pinion, you destroy a differential or something like that, bam, right here. Pinion, spur, diff, got you. Haiboxing has definitely got you when it comes to this. This is actually a very, very good quality truck for what it is. Very happy with it so far. I haven't put any runtime into it yet, but I'm not going to be waiting too much longer after this video to actually drive it. So, thank you for clicking on the video and watching. What I'll probably end up doing with this is I'll be doing an upgrade series where I pretty much bulletproof it, throw a huge motor in it. These guys might be coming out just to make some space up, and Here's the bottom tub. Lower arms and stuff are nice and bent. Yeah, overall it feels good. Feels really good. This is definitely worth the $71.99 that I got it for off Amazon. And stay tuned. I'll have those upgraded videos come in. I'll have some running videos, more technical videos on this. Again, thanks for visiting the channel. Be sure to look through all my other stuff. You might be able to find something else that you might be interested in. Maybe HPI truck that I might have, Force RC, maybe some kind of drag stuff. Just go ahead and skim my stuff. You'll find something that you might enjoy. Really appreciate you guys. You guys have a good day.